YouTube Studios, and then from here we are going to do everything. So yeah, I feel like YouTubestudio.com is a place for all the creators, and it's a pretty interesting website for creators. When I started YouTube, actually, I didn't even know this thing existed. But let me show you how to make a card. So basically, all you have to do is click cards, and then you put like wherever you want to add the card. You just go to that time. Say I want 208, so that's 2 minutes and 8 seconds. Then I put add card. Then there are different choices such as video or playlist, promote another channel, poll. These are like questions. So I'm just going to put this, and then you can like poll a question. So I'm just going to ask, do you guys like this game? And then all you have to do is like make choice. So I'm just gonna put yes, and I'm gonna put no here. Then I'm gonna create card. So basically, when the video reaches 2 minutes and 8 seconds, this question will pop up here, and you can either answer it like this. And yeah, I did put another card, and I put it so it'll show another video. So if I click yes, then it'll come like this. It's really that easy to make a card. So if you guys are interested in making cards, I totally recommend it. It will get you more views and more subscribers.
And as usual, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.